Welcome to Gowthams Photography. In today's video, I will show you how to do a product shoot just with your phone. Yes, your smartphone. Without any further delay, let's get started. We have our product in the middle. Here, we have a light, continuous light. If you don't have a continuous light, you can use a torch or mobile flash or anything that can produce continuous light. And a smartphone. And I'm using a packet of coffee seeds. You can use black sand as well or anything that you want to put it as a backdrop. Okay, let's start setting up our things. I'm just using this chocolate paper as the support for the product so that it has that nice lift. I'm going to place my continuous light on the right side of the product. I've placed the light a little further so that I don't get too much exposed. I'm using the default camera app. I've put it in a portrait mode. So I've put it in a portrait mode and I'm using the aperture here on the right by f5.6. So once you place and hold your exposure button on the autofocus button, it will get locked. So after that, you'll have to slide your brightness, adjust your brightness up or down however you need it. I wanted to reduce the brightness here so that I get that some reflection from the product. So once you click the picture, just open it. See, this is the final picture where I can edit this on the Lightroom or I can edit in the native camera app itself. If you go down to the edit button and then click on filters, you get a lot of options here. You can choose whatever you need.